Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, and I was super excited to create this look because I just feel like it is so artistic and different. So I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I enjoyed filming it. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment "done" down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I used this as an eyeshadow primer. And I really love using it as a primer because it's super full coverage and it cancels out any discoloration that I might have on my eyelid. And then I always blend it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I set everything in place with some translucent powder. I went in with the She's a Rainbow palette from ColourPop, and I absolutely love this palette. It has so many amazing bright colors, and every time I look at this palette it just brings out the inner artist in me, so I absolutely love playing with it. The first shade that I went in with is this pastel pink shade, and I used it as a transition shade, so I just popped that in my crease with a big fluffy brush, just going in back and forth motions, not being too precise with it because it's just going to be a background shade. And next I took a defined angled brush and I picked up this bright red shade, and I started to map out where I want to add definition in my crease, and I definitely winged it out in the outer corner just to make it a little bit more of an edgy look. And I feel like going in with a defined angled brush just really helps to have precise application of where you want the definition in your crease. And then I always go in with a fluffy brush and that first transition shade that I use, so in this case it's the pastel pink shade, and I always go back in and blend that line out. But I feel like it's the easiest way to add definition in the crease but still get a really nice blended look. And then for all over the lid, I went in with my ColourPop Glitterly Obsessed Body Glitter in Star Party. And it's a body glitter, so that's just a little disclaimer if you might be really sensitive. I don't know if it would be good for your eyes, but I have pretty sensitive eyes and I always use this product on my eyelid and I feel like I never have any problems with it. But I just wanted to give a disclaimer because I feel like it is meant for the body. But I absolutely love this product because you don't have to use a glitter glue, which I find really convenient. You just pop it on your lid, and I feel like these Glitterly Obsessed glitters work best if you apply it with your finger first, and then you can go in with a brush and get the areas that you couldn't get with your finger. And then for lashes, I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes, and I just want to give a quick shout out to those of you guys that support our lash brand and place orders on our website. You guys are honestly amazing, and we see it and we appreciate you guys so much for supporting our lash brand. The style that I went in with is the style Bali. And I did want the focus of this look to be the lid and the lashes, so I kept the lower lash line bare, and all I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!